All right, first of all, we're gonna make a chicken salad with walnuts, honey walnut, roasted walnuts, all right? The walnuts, we're actually gonna use the air fryer for it. Instead of using the traditional way of baking them, we're gonna go ahead and put we're gonna start with 2 pieces of breast. Actually, we're just gonna need 1, but we're gonna cook both of them together. Pieces in there, all right? And we're gonna boil them, all right, for like an hour almost, you know? It depends on, oh, not the paper, not the paper. Not the paper! The paper went in. All right, it's all right, we're gonna take it out. It's gonna boil anyways. I'm gonna do all these ingredients just to give it some flavor. The water, nothing's gonna happen. Just water. That's my fridge telling me to close it. Garlic, salt, garlic pepper. Just to give it some flavor to the chicken because the chicken has no flavor if you don't cook it right. All right. Throwing everything in the kitchen. Everything. Then we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna put this to a boil. All right, we're gonna start with the walnuts, all right? These, I got my local store. Let me cut them open. And some people soak them, all right? They soak them in water and then dry them up. We ain't gonna do that. Tracing them out. You don't have to eat them all at once, but they're good snacking. That's good. Put this on the side. We're gonna add a little bit olive oil. That's it. The main ingredient, honey. This is farm honey, all right? Ugh. That means somebody actually has a bee farm. Oh, somewhere on here, which is good. We're gonna add honey. About maybe 3 spoons of honey, all right? All right, that's it. Delicioso. People sometimes call people, hey honey, can I help you, honey? That's very rude, to be honest with you. But they still do it. Salt, we're gonna add salt, just a little bit, pinch of salt. Mix it around. Make sure everything gets a taste of it. And sometimes you spray a little bit of water too, but we put oil, so hopefully they won't stick together. Put this in there. We'll start cooking it on the air fryer. Bring our air fryer. Put the honey away. We're gonna put the air fryer. We're gonna put starch paper so it won't stick. We're gonna cut this in little pieces here. Half of this. Not the perfect, but you want to make sure grabbing in there. And then we throw all this in there. All right, and then we come back once in a while and move it around. All right, just make sure you do that. So separate them as much as you can. Get everything, nothing goes to waste here. And come back and mix them around. All right, we turned it on. We're gonna do temperatures, 300. We're gonna bring it lower to 300. And then timer, we're gonna put 20 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead and start. Here we are, we're boiling the chicken. All right, once in a while, because all the ingredients and everything come in here and mix it around. And look at the chicken, make sure it doesn't overcook, all right? So we're gonna turn it down right now because I think it's cooking faster than the rest of the stuff. But it's okay, we're gonna let it cool off too after. But we're gonna use the other one for chicken tacos tomorrow. So let me lower it down to number 4-3. Okay, so we're gonna do the salad first, all right? We haven't washed it or anything. I'm just gonna chop it up and then we'll wash it after. That's what I do first. So we got this. Get my favorite knife, one of my many favorite knives. All right, I did cut the heart a little bit here. This is only half of lettuce, but it's enough for all of us. There's only 3 of us right now, and the chicken's gonna be a lot, so it's good. We're gonna add big pieces of chicken, and this is actually pretty good. My kid likes salads, so anything she likes, I'll do. But I'm trying to get her to eat more of the healthier stuff sometimes. But it's hard. Kids these days, all they want is eat out and so forth. You know, it's just not very healthy sometimes. Get the rest of it in there. And we're also going to do a little bit to sneak in some, not just cabbage, but lettuce. Not just lettuce, but cabbage too. I'm going to add, because it gives it more crunchier taste. And it actually gives it more volume too. Some places they put like the purple cabbage, the purple lettuce, not the purple cabbage, right? So we'll put it on there. And as I chopped it up the other day, I'm gonna put this much. We're gonna mix it up too, all right? So mix it up. We're gonna wash it right now. Get that nice crunchy volume. Get it going, and we're gonna leave it in here drying up too. So we could add a little bit more too, just to give it that extra flavor. That's good enough. The beautiful thing about this thing, all right, it's not just for lettuce, for cabbages and everything, is that you could take out the bottom so you could rinse it and spring everything in there within itself. You don't have to even remove anything. So that's what we're gonna do. Right now that I washed it, I'm gonna put the bottom back so it could strain everything in the bottom, and I'm gonna cover it just for flies won't get in, and we'll get ready for the next process. All right, now we're also gonna cut some pepinos. All right, so one of my best peelers is the ceramic one, because look at this. Nice and simple. Gives you nice and clearance. Be careful with it too also, because it's a little dangerous. As sharp as it is, this hasn't lost its sharpness at all. And all I do is replace them. And this one's been with me for maybe more than 2 years already. And very reliable, always reliable. So once I get it in all sides, it's simple to actually take the whole thing. It's incredibly easy. You guys can see that. Clean it, clean as a whistle. Chop the ends, chop the other end, and then we're gonna get rid of the trash. And start adding all this into the salad bowl too. The only reason I do it thin slices because I like to it moves around everywhere. You can also cut them in half too. We might just end up doing that. Just put it everywhere too. You could do your light dressings, your heavy duty dressings, however you want. Whatever dressing. I like balsamic vinegar. The balsamic, not vinegar, balsamic dressing that they have. They have flavor balsamic sometimes. And there was this lunch lady in one of my buildings that she used to bring a lot of different types of balsamics. And I remember she brought one blueberry, and it was incredible. And the lady retired. She retired, but she left an impression into my what kind of foods, that I never thought they existed. And balsamic comes in different formats. People make it in different formats, of course, but I never can find the one that she had. All right, it was like a unique one. So throw this all in there. Move to the next section. These are my favorite. They're like noodles, all right? We're gonna have the noodles, and also I have some fried onions, like little powder onions. I was gonna do bacon, but that's too much. Just basic. That's all we're gonna do. So show you another thing that you can use this thing for. To shake your salad, mix everything in there too. So I like this. After I took a little plate off, I let it ride. So I just took this off and mix it around. All right, so I just got them out of the oven. Not the oven, the fryer, right? I cooked them a little longer than I needed to because there's a lot of them, and I forgot the volume of it. It's a lot deeper than that, but it's clean. The paper's hot. Just spread this out. Spread them around, let them cool off. We're gonna try one in a bit. Didn't get burned or anything, but I didn't want it to get burned. I cooked them maybe a little bit more than 27 minutes, and I kept moving them around, but they look beautiful. They're just hot. Let them cool off, and we'll be ready to serve with our salad and everything else. So we'll let them cool off first, but just wanted you guys see it, how beautiful they look. These apples been sitting in my fridge for like a week, so we're gonna give them a home. First, we're gonna take out the core, peel them, cut them in pieces, and put them part of the salad because you don't want to spoil them. They've been sitting there lonely, asking me for help, asking me to eat them. So I'm gonna do them a favor and flavor. So I got this one, all right? To get out all the cores out, it's a must. You guys got to get some of this, man. It's a game changer. So just be careful with them when you go down. Just go straight down and then come on the back. Gets all the seeds out, all right? Gets all the seeds out. I'm gonna move this to the side. So we're gonna peel this right now with the same peeler we just used the salad. All right, we're gonna start with the apples because the chicken's ready. They're getting brown because they've been sitting here. So all right, mix it. Mix it. All right. All right, chicken just came out. I'm gonna let it sit here for maybe a minute before I start cutting it. So it looks beautiful. It smells wonderful too. So give it a second, let it. But for now, we're gonna taste one of these. Oh yeah, outstanding. Now it's time to cut the chicken. Cutting the chicken is the easiest part. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna taste it too. Let me see. Let's see if any of the flavors really transfer. Some of the flavors transfer. Also, do not throw the juice away because we can make rice with it. We can make all sorts of things with it. So just make sure you keep the stuff. So just cut it as much as you can for. All right, simple salad, chicken, apples, some breads, some breaded, dry breads, like croutons kind of thing, chicken, walnuts, out of the box, everything I made from scratch, except for some things, all right? I cheated. So hope you guys enjoy the video.